This video tutorial explores how you can do a quality check on content that you've added in the Canvas LMS. So the first thing that we need to do is an impersonate a student view. So what you want to do is click on the student view button. From here, you can see your screen is outlined in this purplish color, indicating that you are in the student view. So now we want to take a look at some of our content items that were created during this week's tutorials. So first thing that we're going to navigate towards is the discussion. So if we click on the discussions link, we can see information on how the student sees it. So, for example, we added chapter 1 discussions. If we click on that, we can see where the student can reply to this discussion post. So let's go ahead and try that to get the student's experience. We're going to go ahead and copy in a response. And if we navigate down on our screen here, we can go ahead and post a reply. So now we can see what posting a reply looks like from the student's perspective. The next thing that we want to look at is grades. So when we click on grades here, we can see that for week 1 discussion, this student was assigned a grade of 5. The next thing that we want to click on is groups. We assign groups this week, so we're going to access groups under our people link. So if we click on the people link, we can see our class list here, but we want to look specifically at groups. So we're going to navigate to the groups tab. And then here we can see the students in each group. So we can see group 1 has a learner named Amy and demo student, and group 2 has an individual learner named Josh. So the last thing that we want to look at, we created a web conference tool. So if we click on conferences up, we can see for the student view in Canvas, we cannot actually see any information regarding web conferences. So to do a quality check on web conferences, what we will need to do is actually go into the demo account that we created with an alternative email. So therefore, I would say a major limitation of the Canvas impersonation quality check is that you really can't review all content that's been added to the LMS. As a reminder, to get out of the student view, you are going to click on the Leave Student View button.